Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are exploring an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create custom shape divider line like modern UI look. Create a new canvas in Photoshop, select custom shape tool, open shape picker and choose a line or divider shape. Drag shape horizontally across canvas. Hold shift to keep it straight. Change fill color to overlay gray. Reduce opacity to 70%. Duplicate the shape layer. Move duplicate slightly downward. Reduce opacity more for subtle depth. Select both layers and align center. Add text above below divider. Adjust spacing carefully. Zoom out and preview layout. Divider separates content cleanly.